Voice is very big. Long. Yeah, they like it. My guns.
They're all dressed up, ready for the club and shit, all drunk and shit already.
They didn't know what to do now.
I didn't know what to do.
But you bring 4, why not 2?
Options, man. Options, man.
And then I told him, you know what I told him?
You don't understand options, man.
You know what I told him? Why don't they say, we're here for the gangbang?
Man, I let him watch that movie one time, man. Well, old school. That's what it was. Old school. You know, you seen it? Or the dude shows up the door, I'm here for the gangbang. Ozzy loves that part, man. I don't know why.
I'm here for the gang.
See, he says that all the time, man. He's like, why couldn't the girls just show up at the door like, I'm here for the gangbang? I was like, yeah, you like that way? He's yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah.
He's crazy.
Did you actually say that?
Yeah, no, when they were there, no, I didn't say anything.
He's shy.
I didn't say anything.
He didn't say nothing. He said, my name is Haji. That was it.
That's it. Yeah, I didn't know them.
No.
I didn't know them. Say,
Shit. I don't tell nobody my business. Shit.
But they were really good.
I don't like them.
Next time you bring 2, not 4.
But I picked up Haji. Some girl driving my car. Haji's like looking over at the baby and shit. He's like, I thought it was your kid. And now that ain't my kid. She's got the system on beating. Haji's like, man, you crazy, man, baby in here. I was like, hey, man, that ain't my baby. I don't know this shit.
Baby in there.
Shit ain't my baby's ears. I don't know.
That's a loud music, man. That's a loud music.
I don't love them.